Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackHere.com. Today we're going to break down the all-new RST S-1 mesh riding gloves. Okay, the all-new S-1 mesh riding gloves retail for $59.99 as of the time we're shooting this video. Please understand we don't update videos or pricing changes. Only the product itself has been completely redesigned. Let's begin with sizing. I wear a 2X in most common gloves out there. These are a 2X, and they fit and feel really good. You get these gloves on, a lot of dexterity, a lot of feel, and they give you like this nice captured feeling, right? Like you've got something fairly substantial on, and that's great considering they only retail for $59. You can compare these to gloves. They're going to sell much closer to $100. Okay, so once again with RST, we've got a lot of value built into the product. We've got a combination of materials used here. Mesh, all here on the back of the hand. There's some padding behind it too. It flows air freely. We've got a knuckle protector stitched in. We've got some protection for the end of the ulna there, like an airprene cuff. TPR details to protect the fingers from impact and abrasion. That's all mesh behind there. In between the fingers, that is a stretch fabric that also will flow air freely. So these gloves are going to be super cool when you're out riding. You got your hands out on the bars, in the wind, tons of air is going to drive in there. These things are going to feel great. Touchscreen compatibility. These are CE certified to level 1. Got some full grain leather here on the back. There is an overlay here in the palm area as well as the pinky. That's the impact zone. They're doing that to help manage abrasion and impact in that area. Most of us, when we fall, we're going to put our hands out instinctively. This is just trying to give you as much protection there as possible. You can see we have some overlays here in the area where your hands come in contact with the bars. It's going to help you with grip on the bars. The biggest thing with these is they feel great. They feel like you spent a whole hell of a lot more on them than you did. The styling on them too, which I think a lot of people appreciate with RST, is pretty subtle, right? The way they color block it, the way the logo is used, it's a good looking, getting right to the point kind of glove. If you have any questions, leave those in the comments section of this video. I answer all that stuff myself. I'm always here to help you choose the right gear for your next ride.